Does your dining spaces feel a little too plain or flat? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 dining room color combinations that not only look amazing, but instantly change the mood of your space. For example, sage green plus oak plus white equals soft and refreshing. Just a small glimpse of what's coming. These ideas are simple to apply and can completely transform the feel of your room. Let's see which combination could be perfect for you. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Color combination number 1. Sage green plus oak plus white equals soft and refreshing. If you want your dining room to feel calm and natural, start with this color combination. The sage green feature wall immediately sets a soothing backdrop, creating a sense of tranquility that makes the space feel connected to nature. It's soft enough to be relaxing, but still gives your walls personality. Paired with oak wood in the dining table, chair frames, and sideboard, the room gains warmth, texture, and a touch of organic charm. Oak has a natural grain that brings life to the furniture, making the space feel welcoming. White upholstery, curtains, and decors balance the green and wood tones, keeping the room light, airy, and clean. It also reflects natural light beautifully, making the space feel more open and refreshing. Together, sage green, oak, and white create a soft and refreshing space that feels both calming and welcoming. Sage green relaxes, oak adds comforting warmth, and white keeps everything crisp and timeless. This combination works beautifully for modern Japandi, Scandinavian, and contemporary interiors. Moving from soft and natural, let's explore a palette with a bit more drama that still feels sophisticated. Color combination number 2, navy blue plus walnut plus cream equals bold and sophisticated. If you want your dining room to feel more elegant and striking, this color combination delivers exactly that. The navy blue feature wall draws the eye and adds depth, giving the room a rich, luxurious feel that immediately makes the space stand out. It creates a dramatic backdrop that pairs perfectly with natural light, allowing the room to feel both powerful and inviting. Walnut wood in the dining table, sideboard, and chair frames balances the intensity of navy with its warm, earthy tones. Its natural grain adds texture and character, grounding the dark color and preventing it from feeling too heavy. Cream-colored upholstery, curtains, and pendant light helps soften the space. They bring in warmth and brightness, keeping the atmosphere inviting instead of overpowering. Together, these 3 colors create a bold and sophisticated atmosphere. Navy blue adds depth and refinement, walnut brings richness and warmth, and cream softens the composition for a timeless and elegant look. This combination is ideal for modern contemporary, mid-century modern, and luxury modern interiors. Next, we move toward a palette that is earthy, grounded, and still modern. Color combination number 3, olive green plus black plus oak equals earthy and modern. For a grounded, contemporary, and stylish vibe, olive green, black, and oak work beautifully together. The olive green wall introduces a natural tone that feels earthy and sophisticated, giving the dining room a calm, serene atmosphere. Its muted warmth makes it versatile for both casual and formal dining setups. Using oak in your table or sideboards keeps the design balanced and approachable. Oak furniture adds warmth and organic texture, making the room feel cozy and connected to nature. Black accents, such as on chair legs, table bases, light fixtures, inject modernity and a subtle boldness into the room. It sharpens the look without overpowering the natural warmth of olive and oak. Together, these three colors create an earthy and modern atmosphere. Olive green brings nature indoors, oak adds warmth and comfort, and black introduces a contemporary edge that keeps the space stylish. Perfect for modern Japandi, organic modern, and urban modern interiors, this palette works well if you want a mix of comfort, trendiness, and understated elegance. Now, let's move from earthy tones to a palette that feels classic, soft, and refined. Color combination number 4, beige plus walnut plus brass equals warm and timeless. For a dining room that feels classic and enduring, beige, walnut, and brass are a perfect combination. The beige feature wall creates a soft, neutral backdrop, instantly opening up the room and giving it a serene, welcoming vibe. Beige works as a calm base color that can blend with almost any furnishing style. Walnut wood, featured in your table, chairs introduces natural warmth and texture. Its deep grain adds richness to the space while keeping the room approachable and inviting. Brass accents in lighting add subtle sophistication and sparkle without being overwhelming. The metallic touch elevates the dining area, making it feel polished and timeless. Together, these three colors create a warm and timeless space. Beige keeps the look soft and neutral. Walnut provides warmth and comfort, and brass gives a touch of understated luxury. This combination works well for modern Japandi, contemporary, and warm minimalist interiors. Finally, let's look at a color combination that brings in warmth, coziness, and subtle vibrancy. Color combination number 5, terracotta plus cream plus wood equals warm and inviting. If you want your dining room to feel cozy and welcoming, this combination is ideal. A terracotta feature wall adds rich warmth, creating an eye-catching focal point that makes the space feel grounded and inviting. Its earthy red-orange tone brings energy while maintaining comfort and intimacy in the dining area. Natural wood tones in your table, bench, chairs, and even the rattan pendant add grounding texture, connecting the terracotta and cream elements. The wood brings a natural rhythm and flow, making the space feel cohesive. Cream-colored upholstery, curtains, and soft furnishings soften the boldness of terracotta, ensuring the room remains light and airy. Cream works beautifully to balance the richness of the wall and adds brightness to the space. Together, these colors create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Terracotta energizes, cream brightens and softens, and wood adds warmth and character to the space. Perfect for modern Japandi, contemporary, and warm minimalist interiors, this combination encourages lingering and conversation. And there you have it, 5 dining room color combinations that can completely change the feel of your space. Whether you're drawn to something soft and refreshing, bold and sophisticated, earthy and modern, warm and timeless, or warm and inviting, there's a combination here that can bring your vision to life. So, are you ready to give your dining room a fresh look? Which color combination would you bring into your dining room? Comment below and let me know your favorite. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.